I want to talk about flywheel and rear case for disassembly and assembly. Unscrew the 6 flywheel mounting bolts to remove the flywheel. Unscrew the rear case mounting bolts from the crankcase to remove the rear case. Install the rear case gasket and apply liquid gasket to the face and back of the gasket. Install the rear case to the crankcase and tighten the mounting bolts to the specified torque. Screw the guide bolts into the crankshaft and install the flywheel. Apply oil to the mounting bolts and tighten the flywheel to the specified torque. This concludes the explanation of the flywheel and rear case for disassembly and assembly.